Okay, if I have a date, I don't do the basic shower. I do my date shower. The one that makes my skin soft, my hair fresh, and my whole vibe smell like vanilla money. And it's not complicated, it's just a very specific order because order is what makes it work. Okay, guys, before we get started, hit that subscribe button because we're not going to dates ashy, rushed, and overthinking. We're going calm, moisturized, and sure of ourselves. Now, guys, put everything where you can reach it. We're not doing the water running while you search for products Olympics. And yes, fresh razor if you shave, that matters. Okay, so first I shampoo my hair and put in my leave-in conditioner. I like to let the leave-in sit while I do body care because I love a product that works while I mind my business. And I'm gentle. This is not the moment to fight your hair. It's a date. We're choosing softness, guys. Next, I use my African sponge with a confetti lemon glaze body wash. Now, this is my clean slate step, and I take my time because how you treat yourself here is literally your energy for the day. Then I follow with the confetti lemon glaze body scrub. Focus on the areas that need it. Legs, elbows, knees, underarms. Not aggressive though, just thorough. We're not sanding ourselves down, guys. Now, this part matters. I shave after the body scrub, not before. Scrubbing first while it removes dead skin cells, lifts the hairs, and allows a closer, smoother shave. It also helps prevent razor bumps because you're clearing the path for the razor, which reduces irritation. So yes, scrub first, then shave. Legs and underarms, slow, calm, no rushing like you're late to your own life. Alright, so after I shave, I fill with a body oil wash. This is the soft life step. Your skin starts feeling expensive right here. Then I rinse the conditioner out of my hair and I rinse the body oil off my body, clean, soft, and sealed, but not greasy. Then I towel off, but I keep my body slightly damp, not dripping, just damp. And then I apply the Skin Potion body oil and I go between the Kama Sutra or the Creme de Vanille body oil, just depending on how I feel that day. And I usually mix it in with my lotion because I feel like it goes a longer way that way rather than just putting it directly on my skin. And I don't go too crazy on the scent of my lotion since I'm going to be adding in the scent from the Kama Sutra or Creme de Vanille. So I just use a regular, extra moisturizing lotion, mix in the body oil, and then rub it all over. And that's really great. You don't need too much. And follow with the Creme de Vanille body butter to lock it in. Now, this is how you stay soft the whole night, not just for 20 minutes. Now, the scents. Currently, I'm loving Bath & Body Works Viva La Vanilla, and I use it on damp skin first, of course. Then I mix in Bougie Marshmallow on my body and pulse points, my wrist, inner elbows, neck, light and intentional. But keep in mind, I usually do my face care after this, so I don't spray too much on my neck at this point. I leave that for after I'm done with my face care. All right, so I'm not trying to fumigate the restaurant though. I just want to be present. I want my scent to enter the room politely before I do. And that's the shower and scent part of my date routine. Part 2 is my face and neck routine, my exact order before a date so my skin looks smooth, bright, and calm in real life. Comment face if you want part 2 and I'll film it. Love you guys and I'll see you in the next one.